all doing well. Welcome back to Smiley Kids. Let's take a quiz on exponents and powers. There will be 10 seconds time to answer each question. Pause the video if you need more time. Let's get started. Moving to question number 1. 3 to the power 4 plus 2 cube whole to the power 0 is equal to. Your time starts now. Your time is up. And the right answer is 1. Here we use the law a to the power 0 is equal to 1. So anything to the power 0 is 1. Moving to question number 2. Standard notation is also known as dash notation. Your time starts now. Your time is up. And the right answer is scientific notation. Standard notation is also known as scientific notation. Moving to question number 3. The value of 0 to the power 0 is. Your time starts now. Your time is up. And the right answer is not defined. The value of 0 to the power 0 is not defined. Moving to question number 4. Write 7956 in expanded form using powers of 10. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. 7 into 1000 plus 9 into 100 plus 5 into 10 plus 6 into 1. 1000 here can be written as 10 to the power 3. 100 here can be written as 10 to the power 2. 10 here can be written as 10 to the power 1. And 1 can be written as 10 to the power 0. That is equal to 7 into 10 to the power 3 plus 9 into 10 to the power 2 plus 5 into 10 to the power 1 plus 6 into 10 to the power 0. Moving to question number 5. Express 324 as exponents of prime factors. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. As we need to find the prime factors, we have to take the prime factorization of 324. 2 into 162 is 324. 2 into 81 is 162. 3 into 27 is 81. 3 into 9 is 27. 3 3s is 9 and 3 1s is 3. Here 2 is repeating 2 times and 3 is repeating 4 times. Then it will be 2 to the power 2 and 3 to the power 4. That is equal to 2 to the power 2 into 3 to the power 4. Moving to question number 6. Evaluate 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. Here we apply the law a to the power m whole to the power n is equal to a to the power m into n. 2 to the power 3 whole to the power 2 is equal to 2 to the power 3 into 2. 3 into 2 is 6. So the answer is 2 to the power 6. Moving to question number 7. Find the value of n in 8 into 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 10. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. 8 here can be written as 2 to the power 3 into 2 to the power n is equal to 2 to the power 10. Here we use the law a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n. That is equal to 2 to the power n plus 3, that is equal to 2 to the power 10. As bases are equal, equate powers. N plus 3 is equal to 10. N is equal to 10 minus 3. N is equal to 7. Therefore, the value of n is equal to 7. Moving to question number 8. Multiply 7.25 into 10 to the power 4. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. 7.25 here can be written as 725 by 100 into 10 to the power 4. 100 can be written as 10 square. That is equal to 725 by 10 square into 10 to the power 4. Here we apply the law a to the power m by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. That is equal to 725 into 10 to the power 4 minus 2. That is equal to 725 into 10 to the power 2. That's equal to 72,500. Moving to question number 9. Write 56,000 in standard form. Your time starts now. Your time is up. Now let us see the solution. 56,000 can be written as 56 into 1000. 56 can be written as 5.6 into 10 into 1000. 5.6 into 10 into 1000 is 10,000. 5.6 into 10,000 can be written as 10 to the power 4. Therefore, the answer is 5.6 into 10 to the power 4. Moving to question number 10. 7 by 6 whole to the power minus 1 is equal to. Your time starts now. Your time is up. And the right answer is 6 by 7. Here we use the law a by b whole to the power minus 1 is equal to b by a. Therefore, the answer is 6 by 7. Keep your score in the comment section, and for the latest updates, please subscribe our channel Smiley Kids. Thank you for watching.